Welcome to the timeless wisdom. Today's fast-paced world, finding inner peace can seem like an impossible dream, but with mindfulness and meditations within your reach. Before we dive into this comprehensive guide on mindfulness and meditation techniques, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos that explore the depths of human wisdom, culture, and philosophy. By subscribing, you'll join a community dedicated to exploring the timeless teachings that enrich our lives and illuminate our paths. Now, let's embark on this journey to inner peace. Mindfulness and meditation have been practiced for thousands of years across various cultures and traditions. They offer profound benefits for our mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. But what exactly are mindfulness and meditation? Mindfulness is the practice of bringing one's attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about being fully aware of your thoughts, emotions, and sensations as they arise, and observing them with a sense of curiosity and acceptance. Meditation, on the other hand, is a broader set of practices designed to cultivate a calm and focused mind. It often involves techniques such as focused attention, deep breathing, and visualization. To achieve a state of mental clarity and emotional tranquility, let's begin with one of the most fundamental meditation techniques: deep breathing. This simple yet powerful practice can help calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. Find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand. Hold the breath for a moment, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this process, focusing your attention on the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your body. Deep breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Next, let's explore the body-scan meditation. This technique helps increase awareness of bodily sensations and promotes a deep sense of relaxation. Lie down in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Bring your attention to your toes, noticing any sensations or tension. Slowly move your attention up through your body, scanning each part and observing any feelings without judgment. The body-scan meditation can help release physical tension and improve your mind-body connection. Mindful walking is another excellent technique to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine. It combines the benefits of physical activity with the calming effects of mindfulness. Find a quiet place where you can walk without distractions. Focus on the sensation of your feet touching the ground with each step. Notice the movement of your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the sights and sounds around you. Mindful walking helps ground you in the present moment, reducing anxiety and enhancing your sense of connection with the world. Loving kindness meditation, also known as metta meditation, is a practice that cultivates compassion and empathy towards yourself and others. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Begin by focusing on yourself, silently repeating phrases such as, "May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I live with ease." Gradually extend these wishes to others, loved ones, acquaintances, and even those with whom you have difficulties. Loving kindness meditation fosters a sense of interconnectedness and promotes emotional well-being. Visualization meditation involves creating vivid mental images to evoke a sense of calm and focus. This technique can be particularly effective for reducing stress and enhancing mental clarity. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Imagine a serene place, such as a tranquil beach or a peaceful forest. Engage all your senses. To make the visualization as vivid as possible, feel the warmth of the sun, hear the gentle waves, and smell the fresh air. Visualization meditation can transport you to a place of inner peace and relaxation. Mindfulness isn't limited to formal meditation sessions. It can be integrated into everyday activities. This practice helps you stay present and engaged in the moment, enhancing your overall quality of life. Whether you're eating, washing dishes, or working, bring your full attention to the task at hand. Notice the textures, colors, and sensations. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the present moment. Mindfulness in daily activities can reduce stress, improve focus, and increase satisfaction in your everyday experiences. Gratitude meditation is a powerful practice that shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant in your life. This technique can significantly boost your mood and overall well-being. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and bring to mind things you are grateful for. It could be people, experiences, or even small joys. Reflect on each one, allowing yourself to feel a sense of gratitude. Meditation fosters a positive mindset and enhances your emotional resilience. Mindful listening is a practice that enhances your relationships and communication skills. It involves giving your full attention to the person speaking, without interrupting or planning your response. When someone is speaking, focus entirely on their words and emotions. Observe their body language and tone of voice. Avoid the urge to interrupt or judge. Mindful listening fosters empathy, understanding, and deeper connections with others. Breath awareness meditation is a simple yet effective technique to anchor yourself in the present moment. This practice can help calm your mind and enhance your focus. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath entering and leaving your nostrils. When your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the breath. Breath awareness meditation helps you stay grounded and reduces mental chatter. Mindful self-compassion involves treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. This practice can improve your emotional well-being and resilience. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Place your hand on your heart and take a few deep breaths. Silently repeat phrases such as, "May I be kind to myself. May I accept myself as I am. May I be patient with myself." Mindful self-compassion helps you cultivate a nurturing and supportive inner voice. Dear friends, mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools that can transform your life. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can cultivate inner peace, emotional resilience, and a deeper sense of well-being. Remember, the journey to inner peace is a lifelong practice. Be patient and compassionate with yourself as you explore these practices. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found value in these insights, please like, share, and subscribe to The Timeless Wisdom. Together, let us continue exploring the profound teachings that enrich our lives and illuminate our paths.